She is at home. We meet at the station. He waits at the door. She sits next to me. He sleeps after lunch. The gift is from my mother. He sends an email to the team. The book is on the table. The cat is under the chair. She stands in the room. We walk through the park. He jumps over the wall. The ball is behind the box. She is between her friends. The picture is above the sofa. He drives along the road. She lives near my house. We travel by bus. He comes from school. She goes to the market. The keys are in my bag. He looks at the sky. She runs across the street. We sit around the fire. He works during the day. She reads before bedtime. We play after school. He stands beside his father. The shop is opposite the bank. She walks into the room. He takes food out of the fridge. The lamp hangs over the table. She writes with a pen. He talks about his trip. We swim in the pool. The train goes through the tunnel. He climbs up the hill. She walks down the stairs. The baby sleeps in the crib. He sits among his friends. She arrived before noon. We stayed until evening. He ran towards the gate. The bird flies above the trees. She placed the vase on the shelf. He stood in front of me.